What's up, y'all? I'm under here. Look at this mess. Can you see all that? That's brand new wood. That's how moist it's been under here, despite not having that much rain. It's already doing that. What I'm going to do is, as soon as it dries out, I'm spray foaming all of these new boards. I'm not going to do the old boards because I'm probably going to have to rip some of them out and replace them as it progresses. But all the new wood that I've put in is getting spray foamed and treated. I started putting treated plywood and shit down too as the underlayment, subfloor 3/4 inch, so that will mitigate moisture damage also. This is what I'm dealing with under here. That support, I have to shim up about from that center beam. I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 that way, 1, 2, 3, 4 that way. I have to raise all the joists about a 1/2 inch, I'd say. I'm planning on putting a I-beam right across the middle there where all those cross supports are and pushing the floor up there. It's sagging just enough to where my bedroom door won't close. Here is where that bathroom wall is. As you can see, it's not sitting on anything. I just put that piece in. I'm getting ready to add that piece. That's the carpet in the hallway. And then I'm going to put, spanning from that joist to that joist, I'm going to put a big piece of plywood in there. And then 2x4s sistered on either side, pushing the plywood up, raising that wall up where it's supposed to be, supporting it with, what is that? That'll be a 1.5 inch of plywood in total. And yeah, that'll be more than enough. Shoot a bunch of nails in the 2x4s that are sistered in. I'm actually going to use 2x6s that will match. You know, I'll be able to put a lot more nails in them. And yeah, get the support. I had to do it there in the past, as you can see. But then the rest of this floor failed clear over to there. So now I'm having to fucking do the rest of the floor. And that's where, and all them tools that were in the picture, I forgot the one most important tool, and that is the force multiplier. I freaking forgot out of all them tools, just the simple hammer and pry bar that, makes wood go into place. Anyway, okay then. Time to get back to work. It's cold down here. How do you like my little prepper's corner over there? My bed, in case I have to sleep down here and hide from the zombies. Anyway, okay then. Back later.